Hey guys, today I want to show you quickly a video about one of these allmiibos, or both of them. These are some amiibo clone NFC reader writers for your Switch or Nintendo stuff. You can get from Aliexpress for around 10 or 15 euros. And they are basically like NFC devices which emulate the amiibos. And since this is barely legal, and they are just perfect for tinkering around, I made this basically spectrum analyzer with them, and it's currently supported by both versions. And you can see, for example, the refresh rate of one sweeping from 2.4 gigahertz to 2.487, and it will show on the top basically like the strings in RSSI and a waterfall of that to have a bit of history data. And to emulate it now, I will just activate this transmitter, which is a HackRF and can be set to whatever frequency you like. And you can basically see that it shows the signal, and it's quite responsive. And sometimes you even see like the Wi-Fi fighting with the disturbance. And since the USB plug on them is not connected to anything really, I made it so that you can update it over the air from the stock amiibo firmware. And to do it, you can basically go into the settings menu and enter the firmware update point and use an smartphone with the nRF Connect app. And after that, it will show this Pixl.js view. You can connect to it, and you can then DFU basically like the file, in this case the LCD update, and it will also reboot to the firmware in the same manner as this one. So both have these buttons on top, and they can also be put to sleep. They have no auto shut off. And in this moment, the LCD variant is really like sleeping at 30 microampere, and the OLED variant is sleeping at like 400 microampere. So this will not last very long while sleeping. There's some bug in the code, but it's still fine right now. And to wake it up, you basically just press the button on top again, and you have basically the same function on both. And also here we can just show an example of the noise. It is that you can see also that the reception is a bit different between them. So you can see this one picks up way more data or way more noise. And this is just most likely because of tolerances on the building of them. The source code is public and on GitHub. I will link it down in the description. You can also find the precompiled over-the-air update files and play around with it. And you can also flash it back to the allmiibo firmware or Pixl.js firmware if you like. And have fun with it.